Ricky the Raccoon cleans up. Ricky the Raccoon loved playing in the forest, but he hated cleaning up. His den was always messy. Berry stains on his paws, crumpled leaves everywhere, and his toys scattered all around. One morning, Ricky overslept because he couldn't find his alarm clock under the clutter. His friend Sammy Squirrel tapped on his door. "Ricky, we're late for the acorn hunt." Quote, Ricky scrambled outside, tripping over his own mess. At the hunt, he was too tired to focus and missed all the best acorns. His tummy rumbled because he'd skipped breakfast. Again, that night, Mama Owl gave him wise advice. A tidy den means a happy day. Clean up, sleep on time, and you'll feel just fine. So Ricky tried. Before bed, he put his toys in a neat pile, washed his sticky paws, and set his alarm. The next morning, he woke up on time, ate a big breakfast, and even found his lucky acorn bag, right where he'd left it. At the next hunt, Ricky was full of energy. He found the biggest acorns and shared them with Sammy. "Wow, Ricky," Sammy cheered. "You're like a whole new raccoon." Quote, Ricky grinned. "Nope, just a tidy one." From then on, Ricky cleaned up every night. His den sparkled, his tummy stayed full, and he never missed another adventure. The end. Asterisk glowing star. Word count, 300 asterisk.